committed, approaching the black Corsa. He's now right behind the black Corsa at the roundabout. You can get the vehicles moving, he's stuck. Still behind the black Corsa, motorbike in front of the black Corsa. The S3 right, stuck behind the black Corsa now.
Got it, come back.
He's moving to lane 1, so to lane 1.
Yeah, you'll see the lane 1 going that way. Outside.
Can't do anything.
It's still holding lane 2. You're looking at the top, it does not realise lane 1's blocked yet.
No, we're stuck. No, we're stuck, because the white car in front ain't got his reversing. Right, committee now, talking to me.
Just make sure you got eye cover.
You don't know it.
Can your vehicle stop?
I didn't get in. No, vehicle wasn't stung, it wasn't stung.
Confirming the near side is going down.
Roger, right, it's now a pursuit situation. We are Market Street Farmers. Road conditions are dry, traffic is light. Speed 70 miles an hour. Can I have ETA breath pass, please? Roger, vehicles up ahead in the distance. Now, if you lose sight of it, I'll leave it to head past. But essentially, yeah, the rear tyre is displaying, the vehicle's swerving side to side. We're now approaching Bentley Street, and it's a left at the junction of stand by for road name, Gladstone Road, approaching Flodder Lane, stand by for direction.
Stolen, mate.
The
that's actual phase authorised.
My vehicle is right Flodder Lane. Obviously the vehicle is a stolen, high-powered vehicle, high-end value from Burberry on Hale. I'm happy to continue at this moment in time. Road conditions are dry, traffic is very light, and the vehicle is a left, Mossfield Road, which is showing a dead end. Vehicle now right onto West Avenue, sorry. And vehicle left towards the Century Mill. We are Laburnum Road, I think it's called, now George Street, passing the Century Mill, in the general direction of Little Holt. Road conditions again dry, traffic is still light, speed 70 miles an hour. We have a vehicle 2 with us as well. Roger, just constantly risk assessing. We're now Tennyson Road, approaching a near side bend. Negotiating the near side bend, and we are approaching the junction with Buckley Lane.
And the 160 deployment on Highfield Road, please, if possible.
Thank you. We've done a right, we're now Clegg Lane towards Little Hulton. Roads more probably medium traffic, speeds again 70 miles an hour. Road conditions are dry. Again proportionate at this moment in time. Vehicle is now heavy braking, and it's a left Coniston Avenue, general direction of Eastern Way. Can you get patrols to Manchester Road and Eastern Way, please?
609, go ahead.
Preston Grove, it is a dead end. I'll probably have to leave it with them pass. Go, go, go. Go on, you'll get in.